Coughing is a reflex, but can be done intentionally to clear mucus and other objects from your airway at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. Cough suppressants block your ability to cough, which can make it impossible to move air, especially in infants whose airways are smaller to begin with. If your infant has a cold, avoid cough suppressants. Instead, encourage fluids so your baby stays well hydrated. Use a humidifier and keep your baby upright as much as possible. This will enable the mucus to loosen up and drip forward out of the nose instead of accumulating in the back of the throat and the lungs. If the mucus does slide back, your baby can still cough, clear it out, and stay alive.